Hello, good morning, students. This is Arvind. First of all, I want to say that if you want to learn programming language C++, Java, Python, digital forensic, advanced data structures, and physics, chemistry of intermediate, and if you want to preparation of all semesters of Polytechnic, Bihar Polytechnic, and if you want to take examination of your 10th in 2023, then you can need watch these videos in full. And I want to promise to all of you, because from today, according to your feedback, I want to upload videos according to your feedback. If you want to, if you have need, if you have need C++ videos, if you have need C++ videos, if you have need Java videos, if you have need Python's videos, and something like that, so I easily upload a streak and represents with the help of PPTs videos. I easily upload. So you have need to this, if you want to easily how to learn how to speak English from basic to advanced, so you have need to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.